We are done with Pochaco and Karomi. Now we will go to Pompompurin. Welcome to Sanrio Boba Draw Kawaii Challenge. We are now drawing Pompompurin. I love how this fluffy ears goes, and you can just pause and play this video so you can see the step-by-step drawing of Pompompurin. It's just so easy. You just have to follow my strokes. Okay, so we are now about to draw the straw. Okay, just align the straw on top where we started, and then give an illusion that there are lots of bubbles around the straw. You know, when I'm doing the drawing, it's really fun to do the bubbles. Just we're doing a lot of circles, and that's it. It looks like you're making a delicious boba tea. Just keep on adding the bubbles, and right after that we're giving an illusion that there's a liquid inside the cup. Alright, just draw a horizontal line. Alright, and now we'll focus on top. Let me know if Pompompurin is a dog. I'm not pretty sure. From the shape of his nose, he looks like a dog to me. Not sure also if she or he is Pompompurin, but yeah. Oh, isn't it cute now? Pompompurin's looking adorable this time with a face. Right now it's time for us to do the coloring. So for here, I just used a combination of different colors or different shades of orange. I used darker shade for the hat of Pompompurin and lighter color for the face. Just add a little effect right there. Right now we're adding the dark orange on the bubbles and doing the light color, same as the face of Pompompurin, same color as that. Well, you can actually vary this color and choose your own color that you like. And just coloring the color. I choose yellow for the color. That's my favorite color. We're done. Cutie Pompompurin.